I think I'm lost, but oh yes, I found it. It was quite an effort to find this place. Today is going to be a Kashmiri fish day. Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gavin, and in today's video I wanted to do something very different. We've tried Lucknowi food, we've tried Maharashtrian food, and we've tried Punjabi food. We've tried all kinds of cuisines, but I have never tried Kashmiri cuisine. So here I am today. I want to try the Kashmiri cuisine, and I am here in Wakad, and the name of this building is Pristine Square. And yes, it was a bit of an effort to find this place, but finally I managed to find it. Yes, we are finally here, and just look at this guys. This is some beautiful artwork on the wall. This place is called Matamal, and this stands for grandmother's neighborhood, if I'm not mistaken, in Kashmiri language. And just look at this boat here guys, beautiful shikara, that's what it's called. And you will see this if you watch videos from the Dal Lake. And look at this beautiful place. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Please come.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. I'll just show our viewers the place and I will talk to you in some time. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so wow. As soon as you enter, this is what will catch your attention. It's literally there everywhere. So this is a leaf from a tree called chinar, and it is very synonymous with Kashmir. But I love the ambience of this place guys. Look at this. I am here in a corner. It's a small place, but the ambience is so beautiful. Even the chairs are uniquely designed. If you see here, you see the woodwork. Kashmir obviously is very famous for its woodwork. And what do we have here? Okay, so we have an entire board of reviews given by customers. That's nice. I will get to this later. And what do we have here? So yes, we have an image here of the Dal Lake, and if you know, these guys, they sell a lot of stuff from their little canoes. This is some mountain, maybe somewhere in Pahalgam. Amazing. I wanted to do something really different, and yes, I'm here quite early, so that's why I have the entire restaurant to myself. And what do we have here? Okay, I see that there are different kinds of breads. I really don't know what these breads are. I will talk to the guys here and then let you know. I managed to find a really nice spot here, and that is because of the light that I have above my head. So the food is going to look great, and we have couple of gentlemen here who were kind enough to give me so much information about Kashmir. We have here Mr. Nilesh, you met him earlier, and here we have Mr. Tiger, and Mr. Tiger is from Kashmir. So guys, you've shared a lot of information with me, and I will take my viewers around and let them know, and we will get to the menu in some time. Thank you. Look at all these interesting vessels here guys. So this one here is actually used in weddings, and there is water in that one, and then the water is poured into this thing. You can wash your hands. This one is very interesting because in this one you can store the kahwa, and here if you see on top there is a section to keep the coal. So that's what keeps the kahwa and other teas hot. And these right here are to store gravies and then the rice and stuff. So a lot of these things are displayed here. And if you come over to this section, this is obviously all the achievements that they have got. So they have got the Times Food Awards, and then some different various sort of awards here. And this is another interesting section. There is Kashmiri chili, it has to be there. Then there is Kashmiri chili powder, and look at this, they have apricot jam, they have saffron here as well. So guys, I will leave a link in the description. You can actually order these online. And besides that, they even have almond and walnut oil. They have walnut spice chutney. So I never knew that you can make chutney out of walnut. And this is the name of the brand, Kans and Mool. So Kans and Mool, as Mr. Nikhil told me, is mortar and pestle. And they even have this interesting looking rice here. And if you're wondering, this is regular tea. then you are highly mistaken, because this tea is actually used for a salted tea. That is something which I have heard for the very first time. And look at all the powders here. And then there is a huge mortar and pestle here. Now the interesting part about this place is all of this is sourced directly from the field. So for example, if you are going to get honey from here, it is taken right from the farm. So yes, this is something that is organic, you can say. So they have this section here as well. So we have the bread section here, and we have Mr. Tiger here. Hello. So Tiger भैया, प्लीज़ मुझे बताइए ये कौन से टाइप के ब्रेड है? ये कौन सा ब्रेड है?
ये लवासा है।
लवासा?
हाँ, बटर लगा के आप ये खा सकते हो।
बटर से बनता है।
करी के साथ खा सकते हो आप।
ओके। और ये क्या है?
बर्गर खनी।
बर्गर
खन।
कहन। ओके।
लेयर वाली रोटी।
लेयर वाली। ओके, ये बहुत बढ़िया दिख रही है। और ये क्या है?
कतलम।
कतलम।
जी जी जी। ये भी लेयर वाली रोटी है, लेकिन ये उससे छोटा है। ये भी आप इसके साथ चाय के साथ खा सकते हो।
अच्छा अच्छा। और ये क्या है?
तेलवुर, जैसे पाव रहता है ना,
पाव।
हाँ हाँ, तेलवुर उस टाइप का है। इसको काट के बटर लगा के खाते हैं इससे।
एंड देयर आर सेसमी सीड्स, तिल है उसके ऊपर।
जी जी जी।
ओके। और
कुलचा ब्रेड क्रिस्पी रहता है, ये चाय के साथ।
चाय के साथ।
जी जी, ये भी सेम कुलचा है।
सेम। ओके टाइगर जी, थैंक यू। अभी मैं मेन्यू चेक करता हूँ और फिर बताऊँगा आपको कि क्या ऑर्डर देना है। थैंक्स। So here we have the menu, and this one right here is again the chinar leaf, and Mr. Tiger is right next to me because I will need his help. So yes, this is something that I saw online. Nadur Monje, Nadur Monje, lotus stem है ये। ओके ओके। और पनीर कंटी क्या है?
पनीर कांती।
कांती। ओके।
ये जो पनीर है, ये कांदा टमाटर में फ्राई करके आता है।
ओके ओके, सही है। ओके। सो वाजवान चिकन सीख।
वाजवान चिकन सीख।
हाँ। वाजवान
मटन सीख।
ओके।
छोटा सा बना।
ओके ओके। एंड हियर वी हैव सम मोर एपेटाइजर्स। चिकन कबाब कांती। चिकन
कबाब कांती।
कांती, एग कांती, ऑमलेट कांती। ओके, सो different kinds of items are there here on the menu, guys.
Kabarga.
Kabarga. Okay, so it's very difficult to pronounce these. ये क्या है?
रिब्स वाला मटन चाप।
मटन चाप। ओके।
देसी घी में फ्राई करते हैं।
ओके ओके।
पहले मिल्क में प्रेशर करते हैं, कुक करते हैं, उसके बाद ये देसी घी में फ्राई करते हैं।
बढ़िया। ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव ओवर हियर। कश्मीरी राजमा, ये तो मुझे पता है। पनीर कलिया। ओके। पनीर रोगन जोश। नादुर यखनी। ओके, ये वापस लोटस
है योगर्ट के साथ।
ओके। पालक नादूर।
नादूर लोटस स्टेप पालक के साथ।
हाँ, ये क्या है? हाक।
हाँ, ये जैसे कड़म, नवलकोल, सरसों का साग बोल सकते हो।
हाँ हाँ।
या गांडून बोल सकते हो।
ओके। चोक वांगून, दम आलू।
खट्टे बैंगन।
खट्टे बैंगन। ओके। दम आलू पता है।
दम आलू पता है।
मास्क
कोफ्ता।
कोफ्ता। ओके।
जी।
मटन यखनी।
मटन यखनी योगर्ट में।
कलिया।
मटन कलिया मिल्क बेस।
ओके। So if you can hear Mr. Tiger, you know the pronunciations are very different, but
chicken
yes,
Rogan Josh.
chicken Rogan Josh, chicken yakni, chok charwan, mutton
Rogan Josh,
सही है।
मटन गोश्ताबा।
गोश्ताबा वो जो शादी में देते हैं, मीट बॉल रहता है, वाइट वाला। अच्छा, ओके ओके, बढ़िया है। मटन रिश्ता रेड वाला रहता है।
रेड वाला मीट बॉल पोंडेड ये भी रहता है।
So I've done a little bit of homework and I know what these things are. पालक रिश्ता, चिकन, ये क्या है?
चिकन मसरांगन कोरमा।
मसरांगन कोरमा।
ये मसरांगन में वो जो मिर्ची रहता है।
अच्छा अच्छा।
मसरांगन यानी मिर्ची।
ओके ओके। और ये क्या है? टमाटर।
टमाटर चामन।
पनीर। अच्छा, चामन मतलब पनीर। ओके। धनियावाल
कोरमा। कोरमा चिकन का।
Guys, the names are so difficult, but these guys they are the experts, so they will definitely guide you.
ये वाला योगर्ट में बनता है।
हाँ, ओके
जी।
ओके, नाइस। और ये सब थालीज है, वेजिटेरियन थाली, डिफरेंट फिरंगी चिकन, नॉन वेज थाली। ग्रेट। ओके। मेन्यू आपका नाउ वी हैव द चटनी सेक्शन हियर, सो मूली चटनी.
मूली चटनी, मुझ चटनी, कश्मीरी में मुझ चटनी बोलते हैं इसको.
अच्छा,
मूली चटनी, मुझ चटनी.
मुजी चटनी, ओके. और
अनारदाना चटनी.
अनारदाना की चटनी.
चटनी.
अनारदाना,
अनारदाना
अच्छा,
दमन.
पोमोग्रेनेट.
हाँ.
वॉलनट चटनी
Walnut
समझ गया.
ऑनियन चटनी.
अनियन, अच्छा अनियन
ये
चटनी.
मोरल पुलाव.
मोरल पुलाव.
कुछ ही रहता है, कश्मीरी मशरूम.
ओह,
जी जी, जब वो बारिश होती है, वो बारिश का मौसम रहता है, तब
हाँ,
वो
हाँ.
बारिश हो, फिर वो बिजली.
हाँ बिजली तो पहाड़ पे वो मशरूम आते हैं.
जाते हैं.
नाइस,
वो ढूंढने
इंटरेस्टिंग.
निकल जाते हैं.
ये कौन से कलर का होता है मोरल
थोड़ा
पुलाव?
सा ये ब्लैक कलर का
हाँ, so if you have a look at, yeah, look at this guys.
है हमारे.
So they have different kinds of mushrooms, and there these guys even have that. This is so interesting. I never knew they have these specialized kind of mushrooms. Great, thank you. And what do we have here? Yellow rice, mutton pulao. So I'm getting like a very
येलो
detailed
राइस,
guide.
तहर.
Tahar.
कश्मीरी में तहर बोलते हैं इसको.
Okay.
तहर.
Mutton
और
pulao.
मटन पुलाव.
Nice.
चिकन पुलाव.
Chicken pulao.
और वेज पुलाव.
कहवा.
कहवा, कहवा.
कहवा. ओके, ये
कहवा भी
चाय.
चाय है.
हाँ.
जी. शीर चाय.
ये
salt
वो
वाली,
salt वाली
जो
चाय.
आपने दिखाया.
राइट राइट राइट.
कश्मीरी फिरनी.
फिरनी, ग्रेट.
शुफ्ता विद आइसक्रीम. वो ड्राई फ्रूट रहते हैं, ड्राई
Right.
फ्रूट के साथ विद आइसक्रीम, वेनीला
Okay.
आइसक्रीम. और शुफ्ता सेफरान आइसक्रीम, कश्मीरी
Nice.
सेफरान आइसक्रीम.
ओके, बढ़िया है. सो दे हैव लॉट ऑफ वेराइटी.
बबरी ब्यूल
बबरी ब्योल, ये क्या है?
आइसक्रीम.
This is ice cream.
सब्जा.
हाँ, ओके
उस
ओके
टाइप का.
ओके ओके.
मिल्क और वो
Okay.
अफजा जाता है इसमें.
ओके.
लस्सी, स्वीट लस्सी, फ्रेश लाइम सोडा, आइस कहवा.
कहवा.
इसमें आइस जाता है.
ओके.
वो जमई तो. और ये
सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स.
सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स है.
ओके.
और ये वो रोटीज है
जो वहाँ पे दिखाया
जी, जी,
आपने.
जी.
ओके, सो दीज आर द प्राइजेज ऑफ द ब्रेड्स दैट आर
कतला,
देयर.
कुलचा, शीरमाल, गिरदा चोट, तेलवर, मोदर खताई, बगीर खनी, गेव चोट, रोट.
रोज.
ये रोट रहता है, इसमें ड्राई फ्रूट रहते हैं, और ये स्वीट वाला रहता है.
हाँ हाँ. And here is some interesting history guys, so you can pause the video. और टाइगर जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. आपके बगैर तो मैं ये वर्ड्स डेफिनेटली प्रोनाउंस ही नहीं कर पाता. थैंक यू. अभी मैंने डिसाइड किया है, एक तो मैं सीख कबाब तो खाऊंगा ज़रूर, फिर वो लोटस का स्टेम, नादुर मोंज, नादुर मोंज,
लोटस की स्टिक्स.
करेक्ट. और यखनी भी खाने वाला हूँ.
चिकन यखनी.
Yes.
योगर्ट में.
यस, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you. Just while I was about to place my order, I heard Mr. Nilesh call out to me, and now that he knows that I have a YouTube channel, he's been very kind because he wants our viewers to know that there are different kinds of items that are available here. So Mr.
So I
Nilesh,
insist to have different taste so that you can have variety of Kashmiri food at this time.
Yes.
So there are few items I provide from our side.
thank you so much.
Thank
And if you are thinking in a nutshell what Kashmiri cuisine is about, it's divided in two parts as
Yeah.
Mr. Nilesh told
Yes.
me. One is Kashmiri Pandit cuisine and one is Kashmiri Wazwan cuisine. So guys, first of all, thank you Mr. Nilesh.
Welcome.
And we will be trying both the cuisines. So stay tuned and keep watching the video till the end. So he is not just Mr. Tiger by name, but he is Mr. Tiger in his profession as well. Just look at how much is there here, guys. I am totally shocked. Talk about Kashmiri hospitality. And again, Mr. Nilesh, thank you so much. And Mr. Tiger, thank you so much. So guys, yes, please, you can come and get this on our table. So we have a lot. I think I have never seen such big Sikh kebabs in my life. I knew Kashmiri Sikh kebabs are huge, but guys, these are massive. Wow. And these are the lotus stems. I know this. I was here for that. Wow guys, just look at the beautiful spread. ये कौरमा,
चिकन यखनी,
चिकन यखनी,
चौक चरवन,
चौक सर, ये लिवर लग रहा
जी, जी, जी.
है.
टमाटर सामन, पनीर,
टमाटर सामान,
हाक, हाक साग,
हाक साग.
या मुंज हाक.
हाँ हाँ. और एक सेकेंड हाँ, if I have to tell you how big these mutton sikh kebabs are, I think this is at least 1 foot in size, right? Almost 1 foot. These are massive, guys. These are literally massive. So ये mutton sikh kebab है and lotus stem nadur monj और ये
मुझे चटनी,
मूली की चटनी.
मूली की चटनी.
Okay.
कांदा चटनी,
कांदा
या
चटनी.
ऑनियन चटनी.
Thank you. Once again, guys, I am going to have a Kashmiri feast right here. Yes, please. So I was telling Mr. Tiger that without a doubt, this is the longest and biggest Sikh kebab I have ever seen. So, if you know me, I love Sikh kebab, and definitely I'm going to start my food review with the Sikh kebab. So let's break this apart and let's try this, guys. Wow.
ये थोड़ा सा चटनी आप डाल सकते हो.
It is not at all like the regular Sikh kebab. As you bite through it, the meat inside is so fine. You don't have to put a lot of effort to bite it. It's fantastic. I totally loved it. And the spices that they have used are something that are totally different. Just look at the texture of this thing, guys. Amazing start. Wow. I want to eat more of this, but we have a lot, guys. So now let's go for the lotus stem. So just have a look at this. If you're from Maharashtra, if you're from Mumbai especially, this will remind you of bombil. It looks like bombil, but it's not. Oh man, I was so curious to try this. First time ever I'm trying lotus stems. And here I have Mr. Tiger, who's giving me a food tour. So ये मूली की चटनी है. You have to actually dip it in the radish chutney. Oh yes. It's just like chips, but obviously it has a very unique flavor of the lotus stem. And once you dip it in this chutney, radish chutney, it just takes this to the next level. Wow. Now since I've tried the chutney, let me also go for another chutney here. So this one here is the onion chutney. Amazing. Surprisingly, it's spicy. It is very spicy, but the crunchiness and the sweetness of the onion balances the flavors. And they have used different kinds of spices. इसमें क्या है, ये कश्मीरी मिर्ची का पाउडर है. Yes, they have used Kashmiri chili powder. So that is what is giving me the kick right now. Wow. So this so far is such a unique experience, and everything what I've tasted so far, it is so different. I want to take a moment to thank Mr. Tiger here, and once again Mr. Nilesh is busy there on the counter because they have some orders. But these guys are so helpful because I have so much food on my table. He's kind enough to come here and serve me. So guys, even the service and the hospitality here is great. And look at the grains of rice. These rice grains are so long. Tiger भाई, कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ना है, इसमें से सब कुछ डालना. So I've told him that I don't want to miss out on anything. I want to taste each and everything. Methi Maz, okay. So as he keeps pouring in, let me just quickly taste this with the rice. तो मेथी माज ये कौन सा गोश्त है? मटन का, और इसमें मेथी की सब्जी है,
ज़्यादा नहीं रहता है,
थोड़ा सा. Okay. So before visiting here, guys, I did some homework and I know that this is poured over the rice in Kashmiri weddings. Let's try this. The food tastes so different. The methi and the meat combined together. डालो आप मत रुके. Yes, this is the liver now. So guys, it's a bit chewy because of the meat, but then the flavor of the methi gives it that little bitterness. Wow, amazing. एक सेकेंड टाइगर भाई. और ये क्या है? ये लिवर चोक सरबन. ये मटन लिवर है.
मटन लिवर.
ओके, वाओ, लेट्स गो फॉर दिस.
मंजहार साग,
ओके,
कड़म बोल सकते हो.
एक सेकेंड. This mutton liver, it has a strong taste obviously because of the mutton, but it's very tangy. Again, something different and it goes well with the rice. ये आपने बताया ये क्या है? मोंजे हाक. लोटस का?
नहीं, सरसों का साग.
सरसों का, हाँ सॉरी.
नवल को या कड़म बोल सकते हो.
ओके, ये भी राइस के साथ खाते हैं.
ये जी.
So even this thing is supposed to be had with rice. The flavors are so different. It's very hard for me to explain the flavors because they've obviously used authentic Kashmiri spices. Yes. टमाटर ये पनीर, टमाटर पनीर
और टमाटर.
Look what we have next. Tomato and paneer. Oh my god. I am having a complete feast here. Wow. There is something very different about this food. It's the flavor. The sourness of the tomato combined with the soft paneer. It just melted in my mouth. I did not even realize that there's paneer. And this goes so well with rice. And don't forget guys, they have different types of bread as well which you can try.
Chicken
Dhaniwal korma.
Yeah, gravy.
Okay. Now this is a huge piece. Actually, the issue is that since I am shooting, I will not be able to use my hand, but I have used the spoon. Thank you. And this is a huge chunk that has come off, but I was easily able to break this from the spoon. So that shows that the meat is soft. Oh my god. एक सेकंड, बड़ा पीस का. Wow. Wow is not the word, right? You have to come here. You have to come here. Everything is making me go bonkers. And while he takes a break, I'm quickly going to take a piece of the seekh kebab. Loved it, guys. Wow. At such moments, I really wish I had a stomach of 3 people because I really want to finish each and everything. That's how good this is. टाइगर भैया, आप नाम से ही नहीं, काम से और सर्विस से भी टाइगर हो. अभी नेक्स्ट क्या आ रहा है? मैं बहुत इंटरेस्टेड हूँ. नेक्स्ट क्या? चिकन यखनी. So those of you who watched my video from Lucknow, मेरी जान, I had the chicken yakni there, and this is Kashmiri chicken yakni. So Mr. Nilesh, who gave me information about the food, about Kashmiri food, he told me that there is a lot of Persian influence on the food. So this is going to be a little, not very spicy, it has a very mild flavor. It is so rich. But the yogurt combined with the spices, इसमें कौन से spices use किए?
सौंफ पाउडर,
Soft powder.
बाकी मसाले जाते हैं जैसे खड़े मसाले देते हैं।
Amazing. Thank you. So the reason why I asked him, तो I guess मैंने सब कुछ taste किया है, right? Wow. Finally, I am done with my food tour here. I am going to sit back, enjoy, relax, and once again, thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And yes, just to let you know more details, as I said, they have a lot of Persian influence. The spices here are authentic spices. That's why you can taste different kinds of food, and it is not at all similar to any kind of cuisine that you get in India. It is totally unique and totally different. And again, what a fabulous time I'm having. It's just like eating food at home. It's just like home cooked food. The spices are not very strong, but there is awesome flavor in each and every bite. I mean, the meat is soft, it just melts in your mouth, and everything tastes so different. It is so different. Once again, guys, I'm going to sit back and enjoy this ride. Just look at what all we have on our table here. This experience has been nothing short of excellent. That's what I can say.